Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best compound miter saws that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Bosch GCM12SD Double-Bevel Gliding Compound Miter Saw. Bosch brings out one of the best designs in construction with this GCM12SD Double-Bevel Gliding Compound Miter Saw. Notice it's not sliding, but gliding because it comes equipped with an axial glide system. The axial glide system does not use the traditional rail setup of other sliding miter saws, which can get messed up and usually requires regular maintenance to keep working perfectly. Instead, it makes use of a robotic gliding arm that makes it possible to glide the blade to and fro through the workpiece effortlessly. This makes it possible to sit it just against the wall of your workshop, helping you save an extra 12 inches of space that could have been occupied with the rails of a traditional sliding arm. If you want to use it in a very tight garage, then you will find this feature very useful. With that out of the way, the Bosch GCM12SD comes equipped with a 12-inch blade powered with a 15-amp motor with a no-load speed of 3,800 RPM. It has one of the largest miter cutting capacities along with the Dewalt DWS 780 with the capacity to cut miters up to 60 degrees to the right and 52 degrees to the left, while bevel cuts can be made 47 degrees both left and right. Setting up the Bosch GCM12SD is also very easy and intuitive. It requires only minor alignments out of the box. It comes equipped with a quick-release square lock fence which come aligned out of the box at 90 degrees to the saw's table, and requires little or no adjustments. The fence make use of an easy lock and unlock feature which makes it easy to slide it perfectly into position for easy and accurate alignment of the workpiece. The saw comes with a 60-tooth Bosch carbide blade for smooth and easy cuts. This blade might not be adequate or may not provide the cut quality and smoothness required by those carrying out cabinet or furniture work, but it's still very smooth and you won't have any problems at all with it if you're into framing and deck building. Moving on at number 4, we have the Milwaukee 6955-20 12-inch Dual-Bevel Sliding Compound Miter Saw. The Milwaukee comes equipped with a large 12-inch blade powered by a 15-amp, 3.3 max HP direct drive motor. That's a lot of power that will allow you to cut with ease and precision through very hard lumber. Apart from that, the rotational no-load speed of the blade is 3,250 RPM, which doesn't change or reduce like other saws when you start cutting materials with it. This is very important because it ensures that the cuts are quick and with high precision even through very hard lumber pieces. Another great feature of this Milwaukee saw is that there are 2 lights, one each on both sides of the blade, which lights the blade, cut line and material, allowing you to clearly see the blade and cut line when making cuts. This is very useful as it increases your accuracy because you can see the blade and cut line clearly, and you don't even need to buy additional lights in case your workspace is not well lit. The electronic soft start feature of the blade prevents the saw from jerking instantly once you put it on, and also allows you to ease the blade into the workpiece without damaging the material. The blade can be beveled from 0 to 48 degrees in both directions, with an oversized single bevel adjustment lever. At number 3, we have the Dewalt DHS 790AT2 Flexvolt Compound Miter Saw. It is both corded and cordless. This is perhaps the greatest feature of the DHS 790AT2 Flexvolt Compound Miter Saw. It is designed to work on both a 120 volts AC power supply, and it can also work on 2x60 volts batteries. Unlike other miter saws, this one features a 120 volts brushless motor which spins the blade at a no-load speed of 3,800 RPM. This is very good because a brushless motor is easier to maintain and it lasts longer a brushed one. The DHS 790AT2 comes with tall sliding fences that are able to support crown moldings up to 7-1/2 inch and base moldings up to 6 to 3/4, placed vertically against the tall fences just like other Dewalt high-end miter saws. The DHS790AT2 also features the special cut-line blade positioning system that casts a shadow of the blade on the material, showing the exact width of the blade and where the blade will pass through when the cut is made. The miter detent plate has 11 detents with the ability to cut miters up to 60 and 50 degrees to the right and left respectively. Flexvolt means the 60 volts batteries can also power your normal 20 volts max tools such as your Dewalt drills and other tools you have that operate on 20 volts. At number 2, we have the Delta 262250 10-inch dual-bevel sliding cruiser saw. If you want something a little more robotic, then you should look no further than Delta's revolutionary cruiser saw with robotic arms that helps you glide the saw effortlessly through cuts. The robotic cruiser arm is made of military-grade aluminum with heavy-duty bearings that allow it move with a smooth fluid motion during cuts. You can even adjust the tension of the robotic cruiser arm to make it glide just the way you want it. With the Delta Cruiser miter saw, you can make crosscuts up to 16 inches wide and crown moldings up to 6.25 inches wide. It's a dual bevel saw that bevels 45 degrees left and right, and miters 50 degrees left and 60 degrees right, with 10 miter detents to help you make quick adjustments at commonly used angles. Equipped with a 15-amp motor, the blade spins at a speed of 4,000 RPM, no load, making it easy to cut precisely through both hardwood and softwood. Every adjustment is easy to make with an easy-to-read miter scale. The molded handle and full-size trigger makes the saw very ergonomic and easy to handle if you're thinking about getting one. The latest model of the Delta Cruiser saw is the Delta 26-2250. Although the cruiser saws are available in 12 and 10-inch blade versions, the Delta 26-2250 is a 12-inch cruiser saw, so if you're going for that, you should know beforehand what you're getting. And finally at number 1, we have the Genesis GMS1015 LC 10-inch compound miter saw. The Genesis GMS 1015 LC is for anyone who wants a quality single-bevel non-sliding compound miter saw, but doesn't want to burn a hole in his/her wallet. This is a highly accurate saw with a laser marker and all, but it's just above $100. I'd recommend this for anyone just starting out as a furniture maker or woodworker, that doesn't have a lot to spend on tools yet. This is a single-bevel non-sliding model, so you won't be getting a lot of cutting capacity to crosscut wider boards. But if you really spend some time and learn more about how to use it, you'll be able to carry out impressive projects with it. It comes equipped with a 10-inch blade powered by a 15-amp motor. The blade spins at a no-load speed of 4,600 RPM, allowing you to make cuts swiftly and accurately. With it you can make bevel cuts up to 45 degrees to the left and miter cuts 45 degrees both left and right. There are 9 positive miter detents for easy repeatable miter cuts. The laser marker will make it easier for you to align the material with the blade's kerf, and there's an electric brake that stops the blade from rotating within seconds after the cut is made. If you ever need to change the blade, the Genesis GMS 1015 LC comes equipped with an arbor lock that when engaged will stop the arbor from rotating when losing the nut that holds the blade in place. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.